To set your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to ask you before starting download in the internet app. To do so, open Samsung internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap site and download. Under download section, tap the gray on offset next to ask before starting download until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, tap the packet twice and then download something from the internet. As the example, we will download an image. To do so, long tap the image and then select download image. As you can see, each time you start downloading something, you will be asked whether you like to continue downloading or cancel downloading. To continue downloading, you can tap download. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.